We all know cars can be mysterious beasts, but what if I told you that one small component could be the difference between a smooth ride and a costly engine nightmare? Today, we're spilling the beans on the 10 warning signs of a failing fuel pressure regulator and the dollars you might have to cough up for replacements. Buckle up. Hey, car enthusiasts and everyday drivers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. It's time to peel back the hood and dive into the world of wheels, engines, and a whole lot of horsepower. Have you ever wondered why your car's performance seems a bit off? Or perhaps you've noticed some strange symptoms lately? Well, folks, we've got the answers right here. In this episode, we're your car's personal detectives, investigating the mysterious case of the fuel pressure regulator. But hey, don't let the word regulator scare you off. We promise to make this journey through the inner workings of your car's engine both entertaining and enlightening. So whether you're a grease monkey or just curious about what makes your car tick, stick around. You won't want to miss these automotive insights. What is the fuel pressure regulator? Picture this. Your car's engine is a finely tuned orchestra, and the fuel pressure regulator is the conductor, ensuring everything plays in perfect harmony. This unsung hero plays a crucial role in your vehicle's performance. At its core, the fuel pressure regulator is like a traffic cop for your engine, ensuring the right amount of fuel reaches your engine's combustion chamber. Imagine a spring and diaphragm as its dynamic duo. Connected to a vacuum hose, this diaphragm works its magic. When vacuum pressure builds, it pushes against the spring, lowering fuel pressure and reducing the fuel injected into the engine. Conversely, when the vacuum decreases, the fuel pressure rises. This dynamic regulation of fuel pressure allows for optimal fuel efficiency and engine performance. By adjusting the fuel flow based on the engine's needs, the fuel pressure regulator helps maintain a balanced air-fuel mixture, resulting in smoother operation and improved overall performance for your vehicle. But here's the cool part. Replacing it is often a straightforward DIY job, saving you a pretty penny on mechanic bills. The hidden trouble symptoms of a failing regulator. Now, let's uncover the dark side of this seemingly simple device. When it goes rogue, your car's performance can hit a sour note. Common symptoms of a failing fuel pressure regulator include rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and black smoke coming from the exhaust. If left unaddressed, it can also lead to engine misfires and potentially even damage to other engine components. Therefore, it is important to recognize these signs and address them promptly to ensure the continued smooth operation of your vehicle. Loss of acceleration. Ever felt like your once zippy car is now stuck in slow motion? Blame it on the fuel pressure regulator. It's the maestro behind the air-fuel ratio, and when it's off-key, your acceleration takes a nosedive. A loss of acceleration can be caused by a faulty fuel pressure regulator, which can result in an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture. This can lead to decreased engine power and sluggish performance, making it important to have the regulator checked and repaired if necessary. Engine misfires. Imagine your car's engine as a drummer, and misfires are like skipping a beat in your favorite song. They're unmistakable. Sputtering, strange noises, and a not-so-pleasant symphony under the hood. But don't rush to replace the regulator just yet. These misfires can have other accomplices. Other potential causes of engine misfires include faulty spark plugs, a clogged fuel injector, or a problem with the ignition system. It's important to diagnose the issue accurately to avoid unnecessary repairs and ensure optimal engine performance. Fuel leakage isn't just an inconvenience. It's a safety hazard with performance implications. When the regulator's diaphragm or outer seal goes rogue, you're in for a gasoline-scented surprise. Prompt action is essential to preventing fiery consequences. If you notice a strong smell of gasoline or see puddles of fuel under your vehicle, it's crucial to address the issue immediately. Ignoring fuel leakage can lead to engine damage and increase the risk of a fire. Consulting a professional mechanic is recommended to identify and fix the source of the leak for your safety and the longevity of your vehicle. But here's the cool part. Replacing it is often a straightforward DIY job, saving you a pretty penny on mechanic bills. Check the engine light. The check engine light is your car's way of crying for help. It's the car's internal detective, and a misbehaving regulator is like a red flag for this sleuth. The fuel pressure sensor is often involved in this automotive investigation. When the fuel pressure sensor malfunctions, it can trigger the check engine light to illuminate. This indicates that there may be an issue with the fuel system, such as a leak or abnormal pressure levels. It is crucial to address this problem promptly to prevent further damage and ensure the optimal performance of your vehicle. Spark plug covered with black debris. Imagine your spark plugs as the campfire in your engine's heart. If they're covered in black soot, your engine's been burning midnight oil, or, more accurately, an overly rich air-fuel mixture. It's a sign that your regulator might be playing tricks on your engine's Symphony. Vacuum hose filled with gasoline. Ever thought your car was secretly sipping gasoline through a straw? Blame it on the regulator's damaged diaphragm. This can cause gasoline to infiltrate the vacuum hoses, an issue you can check for yourself. Drop-in mileage. While a decrease in mileage might seem like a small price to pay for a rich mixture, it's like a slow drain on your car's bank account. Over time, it can lead to engine issues you'd rather avoid. Alright folks, here's a little pit stop for you. Have you ever experienced any of these funky fuel pressure regulator symptoms? Or is your car running as smooth as a jazz ensemble on a summer night? Drop your stories in the comments below and let's keep this automotive conversation rolling. Black smoke from the exhaust pipe. You might associate black exhaust smoke with diesel engines, but gasoline engines can also get in on the act. An overzealous regulator can create an excessively rich mixture, cueing a dramatic entrance of black smoke from your exhaust pipe. Engine backfires. Imagine your engine backfiring as a fiery encore at the wrong moment. A malfunctioning regulator can flood the combustion chamber with excess fuel, setting off fiery explosions in your exhaust system, a situation you'd want to avoid at all costs. Gasoline smell from the dipstick. Your car's dipstick isn't just for show, it's your detective's tool. If you smell or see gasoline on it, it's a sign that your regulator might be in cahoots with a rich engine. Time to investigate further. Some additional facts. Now, for a bit of trivia, fuel pressure regulators usually hang out at one end of the fuel rail, although their location can vary. Modern ones are often sealed units, rarely worth disassembling. And here's the kicker. Most regulators are built to last, with a replacement cycle that can be as rare as a blue moon for many car models. How much does a replacement cost? Now, let's talk dollars and cents. Replacing your fuel pressure regulator isn't just about the part itself. Labor costs can be a significant chunk of the bill. The overall cost ranges from a manageable $1.80 to a steeper $500, depending on your car's make and model. The part itself can set you back anywhere from $1.30 to $200, while labor might run you between $1.50 and $300. But here's a pro tip. If you're feeling handy, tackling the replacement DIY style can slash those labor costs. And there you have it, our fuel-filled journey through the mysterious world of the fuel pressure regulator. If you found this information as eye-opening as a mechanic finding a gremlin in your engine bay, then make sure you don't miss out on any more auto wisdom. Subscribe to Car Computer Exchange, your pit stop for all things automotive enlightenment. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll be the first in line for our future videos, packed with tips, tricks, and all the insider knowledge you need to keep your ride purring like a contented kitten. Don't let car troubles catch you off guard. Stay tuned, stay informed, and drive on with confidence. See you in the next video, fellow car enthusiasts.